Now let's discuss the largest crypto exchange in the United States. Clearly, it is Coinbase. The CEO is Brian Armstrong. But did you know, according to this latest report, they currently control and own over 5% of the Bitcoin in circulation. That's pretty hefty. Let's break this one down. And how many of you have used the Coinbase crypto exchange before? Let me know in the comments below. Here we go. Blockchain intelligence platform Arkham recently identified that crypto exchange Coinbase holds almost 1 million Bitcoin in its wallets. Like, whoa, the coins are worth more than $25 billion at the current prices. Now, according to Arkham, the exchange's holdings amount to almost 5% of all the existing Bitcoin. Arkham said Coinbase holds a total of 947,755 BTC, and at the moment, Bitcoin circulating supply is around 19,493,537, according to CoinInfo on CoinGecko. And as Arkham shared here on X, Arkham now identified 25 billion of Bitcoin's Coinbase reserves, with 1 million approximately Bitcoin on chain. This makes Coinbase the largest Bitcoin entity in the world on Arkham, with almost 5% of all the Bitcoin in existence, almost as much as Satoshi Nakamoto. Crazy, right? Furthermore, Arkham noted that it has tagged and identified 36 million Bitcoin deposits and holding addresses used by the exchange. And according to Arkham, Coinbase's largest cold wallet holds around 10,000 BTC. And based on the exchange's financial reports, the intelligence company believes that Coinbase has more Bitcoin than are yet labeled and could not be identified. And while Coinbase holds over 25 billion worth of Bitcoin in its wallets, the exchange only owns around 10,000 of all the Bitcoin in which it holds, which is roughly $200 million according to the recent data. Meanwhile, community members express varying reactions to the news about the amount of Bitcoin on the centralized exchange in which they hold. Some believe it's a sign to withdraw their Bitcoin from the exchanges, warning hodlers not to wait until the exchanges start to halt withdrawals. Others say that since there are legitimate concerns over cold wallets, there is no good way to store your assets. I like to chime in real quick. Obviously, if it's not your keys, it's not your coins. So while a custodian such as Coinbase can hold your crypto, you got to also note that it's not yours. So if something were to happen, hypothetically, like we've seen with FTX and the collapse last year, then not your keys, not your coins, they don't belong to you at the end of the day. So you got to start to weigh the risk reward with having a custodian such as Coinbase or a centralized exchange hold your coins versus taking the responsibility for yourself and learning how to self-custody your own crypto in cold storage, such as with a Bitcoin cold wallet, such as a Trezor. So I just wanted to point that out. There's no right or wrong way to hold your crypto. You got to do what's in your best interest, of course. So, you know what I mean? Just want to keep it real at the end of the day. So check it. When it comes to Bitcoin ownership by companies, business intelligence firm MicroStrategy still owns most Bitcoin. I believe it's over 152,800 BTC to be exact, worth over $4 billion at the time of this recording, making them the largest publicly traded company to have Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Now, another major company that controls over 600,000 BTC is Grayscale in their GBTC product, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which they just recently had a lawsuit against the SEC with the plan to convert their trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF. So considering they already control the underlying asset in the sum of over 600,000 BTC, makes them a pretty strong contender. Wouldn't you agree? Let me know your thoughts, fam.